Koopy, I've got a secret to tell you, okay? You can't tell anyone. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Super Cooper Sunday. So this week we are going to be doing 5 TikTok trends that Chelsea found on TikTok that we thought the boys would react to. Bella's going to be involved too. I almost just fell. It's going to be a great time. Cody, you gotta move.
He's thinking about it.
You're supposed to move, buddy. I think I'm the winner. Yeah. Let's go, good boy! Thank you. You chose Dad. That's always a good choice.
He basically stared at you for 90% of that.
I think this is gonna even the odds, though.
Okay.
All right. Good boy! Oh my goodness! What a good boy! Thank you. I can't believe it. I'm the winner twice.
Where's my feelings, cool?
No change? What a good boy. Oh, move the leash, move the leash, move the leash. Okay, well, I don't think he was gonna change course unless dire circumstances hit, so that's a good boy. We're gonna try Coda going home, so we'll try it again. I'm trying to show him that the leash was dropped in front of him. Coda, look, there's the leash. Nope, doesn't care. He's just gonna be a good boy. Not even the street or driveway threw him off. He had so much extra space. Just walking all the way home. Come on, buddy. Good boy.
You would think he'd have a pep in his step like, ooh, going on a walk. But he actually had more pep going home.
He was also lighter weight, though.
That is true.
How long till he realizes I'm not with him?
Oh, here he goes.
Good boy.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh.
And now we're off the rockers. Now we're just... What prompted this?
Literally nothing.
Chasing lizards by the fence.
Okay,
getting in Rami's bushes. Okay, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna be a good boy. Koopy, heel, 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 heel. He needs a constant reminder. Koopy, heel. See, he can be good, just not as good as brother.
Don't do it. Cooper, come.
But not after he smells the flowers. Oh, nope, he changed his mind. What? I would do anything to be able to just be in his head for a day. Ooh, flower. Ooh, blade of grass. Ooh, tree. Ooh, stick. Ooh, butterfly. Ooh, lizard. Ooh.
It's like those dogs in Up. Squirrel.
The air blew on my tail. Oh my gosh. Gotta pee. Nope. Gotta run. Gotta go here. Gotta go there. Ooh, there's a flower. Better sniff it. There's a root. Life is great. Life is wonderful. Life is beautiful. We love life. I wish every day could be a golden retriever's best day. Coop, we're going home. You took a detour. Come on. We're going home. Koopy, come on. Let's go. Good boy. Don't worry. He's just tasting the vines on the side of the pine tree. Everything is golden. Everything is great. Coop, come on. Let's go home. Coda, you gotta try harder than that, buddy.
That was the most pitiful attempt I've ever seen.
You gotta try harder than that. There you go. A frozen paper towel. It's like a popsicle for dogs.
Cooling you down. That's not technically what it was for, but okay. What if I wrap it on your paw? Oh no, don't do that. What about this paw? No, no, too cold. Too cold.
It's not food, buddy. Well, that was a way different reaction.
Do I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 170,
Give the belly.
180, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
He just rolled you into the belly.
I think I might be here all day. He just looks at you with such loving eyes.
You gotta keep petting him.
This is like a workout.
He keeps coming over to me to tell me about it. A lot more active. A lot more laying on you and sitting on you.
My lap has been very involved.
A lot more breathing.
Some crying.
But I think overall he liked it.
You ever just have such a fun time and just cry?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah, me too.
You realize the risk you're taking here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure I got consent here on camera. Oh, she's sleeping. I feel bad.
There's a lot of jiggle happening right now.
Good morning, buddy. The most delayed reaction I think I've ever seen. All right, guys, so we tried to get Coop. So much so that this video is now late. Oh, you just knocked your head right into the camera. He has been sleeping today. We purposefully tried to wear him out to get him to like actually fall asleep, but he catches us every time. He wakes up within the first second or so. I'll throw an example on screen right here. So unfortunately, I think it's his FOMO. He's always so scared of missing out on anything. I think he's kind of a light sleeper. So unfortunately, we were not able to get him with this last one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys next week here on Super Cooper Sunday. Catch you all there. Peace out.